Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming legality and prioritizing safety. You must know whether night optics are restricted where you live, so stop and check now. If allowed, prepare only approved components and protective eyewear, and set up a controlled workspace away from bystanders. Use training kits or simulation apps to learn concepts before handling sensitive sensors. Once done, you'll avoid accidental harm and legal trouble, and you'll be ready to pursue legitimate, low-risk projects under proper guidance. Focus on the how and why of night vision rather than covert construction. You should learn the difference between image intensification and thermal imaging, and why IR illumination needs controlled power. Make sure to use commercially available educational kits or camera modules sold for hobbyists. They teach optics alignment and power regulation safely. Once you've practiced on a bench with a camera and IR LED array, you'll understand tracking, focusing, and thermal versus intensified images. Without assembling hazardous, complete your learning project by verifying operation in a safe, private area and documenting what you built and why. Make sure power supplies are fused and labeled, and that any wearable prototype is stable and comfortable. If things go wrong, focus on one troubleshooting tip. Check power and connections first, then lens alignment. Transient faults often look like equipment failure. If you need higher performance or legal certainty, purchase certified night vision equipment or consult a reputable vendor instead of improvising.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.